everybody? Welcome to another wonderful day in Ohio where we have sunshine and rain at the same damn time. As you can see, we're in the truck, we got the trailer located, the GPS is set, and we are cruising. What are we getting? Who knows? But it's going to be glorious because of just some things that just happened, some things that fell in my lap, some things didn't go the way they are. We're making some moves because I'm tired of sitting at home. So, stay tuned. I have a surprise for you guys.
Ready?
Yeah. I like being a camera now.
I should get paid for this.
You get paid. The car ride. And the road trip.
And lunch.
Yeah. What's up, everybody? We're in Cleveland, or outside, right outside across the street from Cleveland. I don't know exactly, but we're almost there. We have 32 minutes to go, 33 miles. I'm excited. Trailer's been great. Toes nice and straight, no issues, whatnot. I do need to get some shocks on this truck because the ride's a little bouncy. But either way, we're getting there. We're getting her done. I'm excited. Hopefully you're excited. Just stay tuned because we're almost there. Guys, I am sorry if it is windy. It is just windy out here and everything, but I stopped for some food, so it's time to show you the car. I know you've been waiting. I know you probably have figured out that I bought a car, and I did. I bought a temporary drift car, something to go slide until the S13 is done, because that project spun out of control, and now we are way delayed. So, here it is. It's the new Drift Whip, convertible. BMW 325i. I'm pretty excited. E36. I don't know if anybody will recognize this car. Picked it up off a guy up near Lake Erie in Cleveland. Really cool guy, really nice. Hooked it up, gave me a bunch of wheels, some spare differentials, stuff like that. Got the baller little drift tips. Alright, so what's the plans for this? This is just the missile. This is just going to be, we're going sliding. You know, No Star Bash is coming up in June. I don't have a car. I now have a car. So the trailer came in clutch, did its job. I'm so glad I picked it up because now we just picked our drift beater up. I got this for a great price. Can't wait to slide it. He says it slides really well. I'm excited, especially with the top down. That's going to be super cool. But yeah, so I'm going to get in the truck. We still got another 2 hours plus to get home. So I gotta get some gas and all that and hit the road, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we finally made it home and everything. That was a long drive. It was probably about 6 hours plus an hour to load the car and talk and whatnot. So 7.5 hour, 8 hour, whatever, long ass day. But we got the car home, and you know, I really like it. There's some flaws, of course. It was a cheap, like, you know, I'm not even telling the price, but it was dirty cheap for what it is. So I'm pretty excited about it. So yeah, let's just kind of check it out again. So here it is. Got the top down. It does have a roll bar. It is not the best roll bar in the world. It has, it looks like it was done on a Harbor Freight bender, so it's got some crinkle. The welds look decent, whatever. Hopefully it doesn't give me a problem during tech inspection. Hopefully they'll pass it because I just want to send it. There is some damage that's not too noticeable, but in the rear where it had been has been impacted. So got some spare parts, but you can see here it's been crinkled in a little bit here and over here. And if you look, I don't know if you can see, but the trunk is not perfectly straight. It's kind of, doesn't really show it on the camera, but this angle is kind of pushed in a little bit. But the body lines match up pretty good, so I'm not really sweating it any. you know, I'm pretty happy with the fitment. Yeah, this little valance area looks a little rough, but once again, it's a beater drift car. It's got these matching wheels, plenty of drift spares. Gonna try to find some other wheels for it, maybe something that looks kind of cool. But overall, the body's in really good shape. The car came from Texas originally, so it's not rusty or anything like that. I checked the rear shock mounts, I checked the subframe and everything. It all looked good. They did something with this hood where they sanded it down and clear coated it like this. It's kind of cool, but eventually I'm going to go ahead and sand it and paint it. I might just try to find a factory color and paint it the factory color for now to clean it up. Or, I don't know, maybe I'll go black spray paint for now. We'll see what I decide to do. There's a lot that needs done. It's dirty, needs cleaned up. Nothing fancy. The e-brake broke the last drift event, which, as you know, for my 240 is very similar. So we're gonna have to get cheap hydro. Inline probably, nothing fancy, not doing a dual caliper setup. This is cheap. Not feeling the wing, probably gonna pull it off. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll keep it on for racer points, we'll see. I do kind of like the blast pipes. The exhaust is probably just a homebrew chopped together job, but I do like them, they're kind of cool. So I'll leave those for now, just kind of send it. But that's the new drift beater, so yeah. I'm gonna get some things cleaned up and then I'll give you some closing thoughts regarding it and everything like that, so stay tuned. Meet Domo. That's right, that's a good boy. That's a good boy, don't bite the camera. Don't bite the camera, what are you doing? What are you doing, boy? You're so pretty. This is my new puppy. This is why I've been so busy. Taking care of you. Ugh. You just wanna play. And I'm the only one that'll play with you. Sit. 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 That's not sitting. So that's my new puppy. His name's Domo, or Domo-kun, because that was one of my, I don't know, one of the little childhood figures I liked growing up when I was, you know, first getting into the Japanese culture. Anyways, so this guy is a handful, as you can see, because he's running around trying to trip me right now. And yeah, he's taken a lot of my time because I've had him for a few weeks, and it is literally taken every spare minute of my day to kind of try to train him, get him housebroken, just take care of him and stuff like that. He's very social and very needy and very, I don't know, he gets like separation issues. So yeah, I haven't been able to make a lot of videos. I haven't been able to work on a lot of stuff. But things are kind of rolling back into the right direction as he gets a little older. You know, we got the trailer, we got the new drift beater missile car, which is cool. I mean, I guess you can call it a missile car. They say you can't call it a missile car unless you have a nice drift car. Well, you know, the nice drift car-ish is kind of like in the garage getting built. So, yeah, let's talk about that for a second. So I sit on my trailer. All right, so the plan was over winter to build the S13 and get it done for 2018. Go hard, that was the whole plan, and I tried. I did, I got preoccupied, I ran into some problems, I ran into some other things, and we kind of hit a rock. And a lot of it came down to higher priority jobs, you know, daily driver maintenance, truck maintenance, wife maintenance. Also, like, about the Acura to replace the Civic because the deal just popped up and it was kind of like a short thing. I had to jump on it. And then now I'm trying to rush and get the Civic, everything squared away with it so I can sell it. So yeah, the S13 is way behind schedule, and we registered for No Star Bash, and I was gonna drift the G35, but then I was like, I really don't want to tear up that car just because I love it so much. It's my daily. So I was like, what am I gonna do? Do I just eat it? No. I decided to, you know, I found a trailer, which I've been looking for months now. I finally found a good deal on one. I'll do a video about that later, discussing the trailer. But yeah, so I was like, I got the trailer, I was like, I'm gonna find a drift beater, and I've been searching for a while now, and I finally found the BMW. I was kind of looking for a G35 or 350Z, like older one or whatever, beat up, salvage car. Couldn't find one, missed out on one, it went a little too expensive. And then this car popped up, you know, so I jumped on it. It should slide, which is all I want to do, just go out and hang out with everybody and have fun. So the plan is to drift the BMW and clean it up a little bit, and that gives me plenty of time to take my time with the S13. loud motorcycle. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be getting back to work on S13 in between all the other stuff I got going on, because I'm still trying to finish the Civic and you know, dealing with the new puppy and everything else that's, you know, I have to do as a, you know, I'm husband, father, all the family stuff as well. It's just things slowed down a lot and everything, because you know, when it was winter it was cold, but I didn't have to mow the lawn, I didn't have to do a lot of other stuff. But either way, so I'm just kind of rambling, but that is the goal, is to take a little bit more time to get the S13 done, drift the BMW for now, and then hopefully mid-season or whatnot, I'll be able to get the S13 out. But the SR20 is going to need tunes. This means I don't have to try to throw it in and rush and get it tuned, or drive it without a tune and then blow it up, or whatever the case may be, or whatever. But now I can take my time, get it done right. And in the meantime, we can still go slide. So hopefully you like BMWs, and hopefully, you know, you're excited as I am to have a car that I can just literally take out and have fun with. And it's going to be budget. So, you know, hopefully we can get her to hold together. But I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. I'm glad it came up, and the guy was really nice and really friendly and able to work with me. It's weird being a convertible, but I'm excited about that. I really hope the roll bar doesn't give me any problems. If so, I may have to figure out a way to have someone do something about that really cheap. I don't know, but we'll cross that road. Maybe I can sneak it by somehow. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap up this vehicle. I've done that before. It's like deja vu. That's gonna wrap up this video. We went to Cleveland, Lake Erie, whatever, and got us a new drift beater. It is a 95 325i convertible. And yeah, I don't know what else really to tell you other than it's there. But it's gonna need cleaned up. It's a little rough, but it seems to run pretty good, and it should slide. He's got, you know, he used to slide it, and he's got pictures of it sliding, so I know it's capable. We just gotta get it ironed out, you know. So stay tuned to that. There's gonna be some BMW videos. Hopefully, the pace may pick up, but it's probably gonna be 1 to 2 videos a week, hopefully. Until I just get things ironed out. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I look forward to making some more videos, hopefully more than I've been making, but I'm working on a couple other ones. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.